Russia recently struck the heart of Ukraine's drone production. How powerful was the attack? The Russian military has shown rapid progress in the development and production of military drones, both in terms of quantity and quality. In recent years, Russia has consistently expanded its industrial capacity to manufacture various types of drones, ranging from reconnaissance drones to combat and kamikaze drones. These drones have proven their effectiveness on the battlefield, whether for reconnaissance missions, destroying concentrations of enemy personnel and vehicles, or penetrating and demolishing fortified defenses and deep trenches. The use of drones allows troops to carry out precision strikes with minimal risk to personnel, while also providing an advantage in real-time intelligence gathering. This success is also supported by innovations in Russian drone technology, including stealth capabilities, advanced sensors, and artificial intelligence integration capable of analyzing data and automatically identifying threats. One concrete example of the effectiveness of Russia's drone use is the recent attack on a Ukrainian drone assembly center at Kramatorsk Airport in the Donetsk People's Republic. In a video released by the Russian Ministry of Defense, Russian forces can be seen using Geran drones to carry out a direct strike on this critical facility. Such drone assembly centers are vital for Ukraine, as they serve as primary sites for assembling, repairing, and distributing drones used in military operations. By destroying this facility, Russia aims to disrupt Ukraine's supply chain and operational drone capabilities on the front lines. Attacks like this not only cause material losses, but can also slow down the pace of drone production and distribution, thereby impacting Ukraine's overall defensive and offensive effectiveness. The success of Russia's drone operations is the result of a long-term strategy designed by the government, including direct orders from President Vladimir Putin to launch mass production of UAVs and prepare a development roadmap through 2030. In addition, collaboration between the defense sector and independent tech teams has accelerated innovation and the adaptation of new technologies in the field. Want to know more about the development of Russia's Geran-2 drones? Keep your eyes on the story. One of the increasingly prominent weapons in the conflict in Ukraine is the Russian kamikaze drone Geran-2, which was recently examined in detail by the RU Aviation website. The review described how the Geran-2 is not merely a copy of the Iranian-made Shahed 136, but has undergone significant transformation that elevates it to a new level of superiority in the category of loitering munitions. Although its basic aerodynamic design still features the delta wing shape and the honeycomb-style drone body known from the Shahed 136, the Geran-2 has seen drastic improvements in nearly every aspect. One of the most striking aspects is its warhead system. Now, this drone can carry a payload of up to 90 kilograms, far exceeding its original capacity, which consisted of a combination of high-explosive, thermobaric, and tungsten fragment warheads. This composition delivers extraordinary destructive power, making it highly effective against strategic infrastructure targets and fortified defensive positions. In terms of power and flight performance, the Geran-2 demonstrates the reliability of a piston engine producing between 50 and 90 horsepower. This engine propels the drone to a maximum speed of 180 kilometers per hour and grants it a flight endurance of 12 hours, with an operational range exceeding 1,000 kilometers. These are not just numbers, they represent the power that enables the Geran-2 to penetrate deep into enemy territory and strike high-value targets without requiring direct support from launchers on the front line. Its avionics and navigation capabilities have also evolved significantly. The navigation system is now enhanced with a multi-element CRPA antenna, making it resistant to enemy signal jamming and spoofing attempts. Another equally important advantage is its survivability in intense conflict zones. The drone is now coated with new materials and layers that significantly reduce its radar signature and visual visibility, especially during night missions. With such stealth capabilities, the Geran-2 becomes much harder to detect or intercept even by modern air defense systems. Russia has not stopped there. It continues to push the boundaries of innovation with the advanced variant, Geran-3. This variant reportedly uses a turbojet engine, which dramatically increases its speed to about 600 kilometers per hour and extends its combat range to 2,500 kilometers. This is a major leap that transforms it into a top-tier loitering munition, rivaling even the most advanced drone systems in the world. The Geran-2 is clear evidence that Russia is not only catching up in unmanned military technology, but has surpassed it with a comprehensive redesign approach. A recent report from the Ukrainska Pravda website unveils the results of a thorough examination of one of the latest MS-series Geran-2 drones, successfully obtained by specialist personnel from the Ukrainian Defense Intelligence Directorate. The findings highlight a significant evolution in the combat capabilities and technology of this Russian drone. The MS variant of the Geran-2 drone is known to be equipped with an infrared imaging system and an American-made NVIDIA Jetson Orin mini computer. This high-performance computing device is designed to support artificial intelligence and real-time video processing, enabling the drone to independently identify targets. This capability represents a fundamental change in how drones operate on the battlefield. The advanced computing module allows the onboard system to process images from the camera and compare them with a pre-uploaded database of visual models. This enables the drone to automatically lock onto targets, even under limited visibility conditions, and carry out attacks without direct manual control, a significant increase in autonomous capacity. Furthermore, the MS-series drones also feature improvements in navigation and communication. The latest satellite navigation system has been enhanced with an 8-channel anti-jamming capability designed to maintain navigation accuracy in intense electronic warfare conditions. The Geran-2 is also equipped with a radio modem and communication subsystems to transmit video data, telemetry, and group control commands in real time, allowing for better integration in larger-scale operations. But to what extent can this report be verified? Leave your thoughts and thanks for watching.